Stop wasting money at salons. I'll show you how to wax at home like a professional step by step. Most people fail because they miss small but important details. Today, I'll show you exactly how to avoid them. Mistake 1 is hair length. It should be about the size of a grain of rice for best results. If it's too long, trim it first. This reduces pulling and makes waxing much easier. The wax should look like thick honey, not too runny, not too hard. Always test a small patch first to make sure the temperature is safe. Always apply wax in the same direction as hair growth. This helps grip better. Apply it smoothly with pressure so it spreads evenly into the hair area. Pull quickly in the opposite direction. Flat, not upward. Never pull upward. That causes irritation and bruising. Always stay close to the skin and pull straight back. Right after pulling, press the area immediately. This reduces discomfort. This helps calm the skin and reduce sensitivity instantly. Aftercare is important. Use aloe vera or gentle oil to soothe the skin. Follow these steps and you can get salon-like results at home. Subscribe to MTH Health.